Hello. Today I'm going to show you how you can install and uninstall Tor browser in Windows 11.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my
Step 1. Open any browser.
head, under my bed, think you're something out of my nightmare.
Step 2. Go to this website. I will provide the link in the description.
Ain't it right there? But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like
Step 3. Click on Download for Windows.
a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings.
Step 4. Open the downloaded file.
You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You
Step 5. Follow me.
know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through.
Here I have a folder in my D drive. You can select it wherever you want.
I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, think you're something out of my nightmares. Standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead
Here you go. We have downloaded the Tor browser.
and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead,
Next is how we uninstall Tor browser.
will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like
Go to the folder where you have installed the Tor browser, and just delete the whole folder.
when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never
Thank you
feel
for watching.
lucid.